Hey guys, Neely and Charity here. We are about to run into Costco to do our first of the month grocery shopping. We're going to brave Costco on Saturday afternoon. Doesn't look too terrible. Charity is my helper today because she had wanted to go to the store to get some new paints, and so after this we're going to run into Michael's and she's going to pick out a few different colors of paint that she needed for her art projects. So she's going to be my helper today at Costco too. You want to grab a bacon? Butter. Alright, we needed to get more frozen blueberries that you love because you were almost out. We want these ones over here, the organic ones. Alright, we're going to do a small batch of breakfast sandwiches this month, so I only need two. Only two this time. Alright, two of these.
Yum.
For the breakfast sandwiches, and plus, just two. You want to do that one? There'll be a little extra to eat besides what goes in the breakfast sandwiches. Yeah, they're not too much more expensive than the big ones, so we'll just go ahead and get the little ones because they're so easy. Not usually. I'm a good helper. Get some peppers and carrots. Let's do that one. You want to put it on the bottom? Levi's been eating up all of our barbecue sauce, so we got to get more. He loves it so much. Renee likes it, but Levi, if there's anything he doesn't want to eat, if I just put some barbecue sauce on it, he gobbles it up. Oof. Ah, where's it? I was hoping they'd still have this. It looks like, yeah, you can put it in. It looked like this was the last of it. We got it. Tomato paste in a little tube so we don't have to waste it so much. The packaging is coming apart there. Grab this one. There you go. Alright, I think we did it. I left my paper list, I think in the car, either in the car or at home. So I'm trying to remember if I got everything. And I think I did, but I suppose we'll find out soon enough.
$5.99. $6.99.
So here's my back of the car grocery haul. Start in the back here. I got 5 packs of the sandwich thins. I'm going to do a small batch of freezer breakfast sandwiches because I still have some in the freezer, but not enough to make it through the month. So for that I got 2 bags of the reduced fat sausage, 2 packs of the cheese slices, which I won't use all of for the sandwiches. Have some left over for eating. Then we also got some bacon, some butter, frozen blueberries. Charity loves those in her oatmeal every morning just about. Got some romaine hearts, some organic marinara sauce, some organic barbecue sauce. Also got some organic non-fat Greek yogurt. I got 2 of those big ones. Someone recommended this to me on one of my recent videos, so thank you. I can't remember who it was that did, but I was so excited to find that they had it at Costco, and they were almost out, so I was glad I was able to pick that up before they were out because I know this will last me a long time. I got a pack of little mandarins, 2 things of bananas, string cheese, carrots, bell peppers, and the last thing is 2 of the pork rinds that mostly me and Levi love munching on. That's a good low-carb snack for us. All right, so the total that I spent for all of this was $191.74, and that, you might notice, is all grocery items or all food items and no non-food items. Didn't need anything. Well, actually, I did need dish soap, but they didn't have the kind that I like. So I didn't get any non-food items this month. Just checked my list here in the cart, and it looks like I got everything that I had been wanting. I just opted not to get cucumbers because they have organic cucumbers now, and they're $5.99 for a pack of 3, so it's $2 a piece. And I figured I'd find them for cheaper somewhere else. So we found these paints on clearance for $1.97 per container. So she's getting 3 containers, glitter paint and neon colors. She just like made out like a bandit today because she had $7, and this is only going to take $6. Pretty exciting, huh?
Mm-hmm. The blue, but I still have this one.
Can you show me the other side, Jerry, of your painting?
Go over there or the cat will run away.
It's so beautiful. What is it?
Night sky.
Night sky. And what are you going to do on the other side?
Make a sunny sky.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be so pretty. I like that sparkly paint you got for such a good deal.